I need to tell everybody something. You need to stop. And what you need to stop doing is, you know what? Let me paint a picture for you, right? All right. So you're going on a road trip, you're going somewhere, or you're going anywhere. You get a little bit of smudges in your windshield, something like that. You stop at a gas station, clean the outside of it with a squeegee, and then you do something that's just unforgivable. You grab those blue little paper towels. You know which ones I'm talking about? Those little blue ones sitting there by the squeegee. It's awfully tempting. So you grab it, you dunk it in the liquid right there, and what do? You clean the inside of your windshield. Stop it. That's like the worst thing that you can do. Because then you're going to get back in your car, and then you're going to try and drive, and then you're going to be blinded by all the crap you just left on your windshield. And then you might die. Right? Let's hope you don't. So I'm going to tell you what you need to do right now. Go to the store, go to Walmart, go to Costco, go wherever store you go, grab yourself some microfibers, some good glass cleaner. The first thing you need to do is understand what type of glass you have. If you have tinted glass, if you have factory tinted, aftermarket tinted, because it matters. If your glass is non-tinted at all, go get yourself some good ammonia-based cleaner, a microfiber, right? And what you do is you can get any, right? The reason that you don't want to use those gas station paper towels or any paper towels is because they have dyes in them from the manufacturer. Whoever makes them, they dye them the color, they dye them white, they put little fancy pictures on them, whatever, and then you rub that all over your window, and it leaves a residue. And then the water, it runs, and nobody ever dries their window completely. So that's also what you're doing wrong. And I'm trying to help you out. Also, it also drives me crazy. So get yourself some microfibers like this one. You can have this one. That one's not a good example because it's dirty. It's been used, right? Let's get that out of here. Or you can use this kind, right? And it's got a rough side, plush side. So, maybe, okay, not that one. You can still use it. It's better than a gas station paper towel. You can get this kind, also been used, a rough side, soft side. All right, get that out of here. My personal favorite, though, is just a white one, super rough. See if you can see that right there. Yeah, all right. Super rough, right? It cuts the grease, everything off your window. So you get your ammonia-based cleaner, glass cleaner, if your window's not tinted, right? Ammonia will take the tint off your glass. So if you have aftermarket tint, get a non-ammonia-based glass cleaner, which could be like Spray Away, things like that. Stoner makes a really good glass cleaner. It's called Invisible Glass. So know what kind of glass you have first. That's the most important thing. So you use one side of it to move the dirt around, pick the dirt up, right? Then really you should use two towels, but you don't have to, but you should, right? And you flip it over. You buff the window completely clean, because if you don't, you're still going to have film on there, right? So once you get your window clean, once you get all of that dirt and nasty off there, what you do is, if you want to prevent that, don't smoke in your car, right? Don't eat foods in your car. Don't eat foods that are hot or, let off steam. What you can do is lay a towel over your dash if it's hot out, because a lot of that stuff that gets in your windshield, it's oils from your plastics. And that's why when I detail, I highly recommend that you get a UV protectant, because it will lock those oils in there. So when it gets hot, it's baking, all those things won't get on your windshield, right? So that's those are a few tips. Those are the best things you can do, but stop using gas station paper towels, because that is the absolute worst thing that you could do. Oh, I'm showing a little too much skin there. That's one of my bets. Just stop doing it. Stop it. If you're thinking about it, I know you are. You're right now. You're thinking about it. Stop it. Oh, and Thony Thickness, this is your shout out. I hope you watch this. Comment below so I know that you saw it. All right? I hope the wife and kids are doing well. Not you, though. I hope Chad really lays into you today. It makes fun of you a whole lot. I love you.